Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily save your Instagram Reels to your Photos gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to open up your camera. Then right here you can hit add reel and you can now start recording a reel. But first you should get right here into settings. Then select Reels, and right now just enable this feature next to Save Reels to Device, just like that. That will automatically save your Reels to your phone. Reels will be saved when you publish them, so you can now move on to your Reel. You can record a short Reel now and then just hit add next and share this reel with your Instagram followers, and then this reel will be also saved to your camera gallery on your device. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.